Good day everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Isaac, and today's video I'll show you how to create the next create a virtual environment using the latest version of Python. So most times when you're creating your next application, you're creating your next software application using Python, or some crazy project you're working on that is AI related that will be using Python for. This is a video for you. So I believe if you watch this video to the end, I want to show you something that's very important when you're creating, that you have to take care of, or that you have to take notes of when you're creating your next Python AI application. So in today's video, I want to show you something that is very important, which is about the virtual environment. So virtual environment is something you have to install or take care of when you're creating your Python applications that might be AI related and not AI related. But I'm very sure if you're watching this video, you plan and desire to create your next Python AI applications. So here in this video, as you see on my screen, I have a blank folder here, and in this folder I'll create my virtual environment. So by default, I have my Python installed already. But don't forget, before you watch the video, I hope you have your Python installed on your laptop on your PC. So just can you see the version of Python I have on my screen here? I have the Python 3.7.0. But if you want to create your next AI application, if you want to create your next Python applications, I need the latest version of Python. That is why I'm making it easy for you guys to watch. So if you watch this to the end, I'll show you guys how to install your virtual environment using the latest version of Python. So with this version of Python, I can't create my virtual environment with it, because obviously I will have some features that might not be active, or that have some things that might not be implemented with, so to say. So now, if I create a virtual environment with this Python, it's obvious something might be missing in some features I plan to implement in my next AI application or my next Python application. So I want to create a virtual environment now using the latest version of Python. I think the latest version of Python is 3.1.4 or 3.13. Yeah, 3.13. But in this video, I'll be using a version 3.12 to create a virtual environment. And obviously, 3.12 is still closer to 3.14, as I said earlier. So I now need to create a virtual environment. So this is how you create a virtual environment using a version a little bit closer to the latest version of Python. So 3.12.n venv and the name of the virtual environment I want to use for my project. So I decided to use venv before the name of the virtual environment. So when I press the enter button, I'll have this virtual environment created for me and being installed for me from the internet. So it's still working. Can you see I have I have this env for me. I have this env already, which is a virtual environment folder, and when it's done installing, I can just activate it, and wow, I'll work my the virtual environment using the latest version, using the version a little bit closer to the latest version of Python, so to say. So I'm still waiting for it to be done installing, so I can activate it, and now I can start coding or vibe coding my project from ground up if I want. So I'm still waiting for it to done installing. So I believe it might take a little bit of time. Yeah, I have it installed already. Now I need to activate this virtual environment. So this is how you activate your virtual environment. So I have space, I have dot, no space, env and dot fenv, the virtual environment in script, and activate. So I have now I have my virtual environment activated, because obviously this is what you see when you activate a virtual environment now. So now I need to check the version of Python I have now, just to confirm if I start coding my project from ground up, or if I start vibe coding my project from ground up, so to say. So can you see I have this version called 3.12.1, which is the version I choose to install. So assuming I have the version of 3.14 installed on my PC, I can use it to create my virtual environment, and I'll start coding the project I want to code from ground up if I want. So this is still the same command you use: Python space 3.14 -m venv and the name of the virtual environment you choose to use for your project. So I can use venv, but I won't press this kind of command because I have the previous virtual environment active installed already on this same folder. So those are the things you have to take care of when you're creating your next application using Python. You're creating your next web application using Python. All these virtual environments are very, very important, and the version is also important too. because without the virtual environment you can't create something that is scalable, something that you can deploy to GitHub or to deploy to cloud or to deploy to hosted platform that you choose for your project. So all these things is all this what I showed you in this video is very important and very necessary for creating your next beautiful Python AI applications. Thanks you so much for the video to this point, and I want you to like and share the video with your Python friends, with your coding friends. I want to write code, I want to code the project from ground up, and I believe they will enjoy it. So if you want me to work on any project like related to this or any big project, any bigger project like this, I will want you to work to drop the video ideas on the comment section below, and I will check it out and work on it. So thanks so much for watching this point, and bye for now.